Go, go, go. Get him, down, down, down. Good job, bud. Stop. Got him. Nice job. Stop. Got him! There you go, Nick! That's it! There you go! There you go! Nice job! Safe! There you go. Nice there. Nice. There you go. Got him. There you go. Nasty bud. Run it out, run it out, run it out! Safe!
You got this, kid! Yeah, kid! Run it out! You got this, kid!
Yeah!
Go, John, John!
There we go.
Nice.
There you go. There you go, Cole. Good job, Mace. Come on, come on.
Come and run.
Down, 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 down. Look at it, come. Down, 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 down. We just pushed it back up.
Got a point with them.
Nice job. Look at. Oh, run! Come on! Run! Up, 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 up. Good job, bud. Got him. Got him.
That's it, kid!
There.
Run it out, kid!
Knock it. Good job. Three!
Get dirty, kid! Get dirty!
On the base! Take the base! The base! The base! On the base! Get on the base! On the base! Jesus! Oh, that one got him.
You okay?
That one you don't have to flop on. That one.
Play third. Got him.
One, two, three, unicorns!
guy struggled all weekend, not feeling well, being sick. Came up with a big hit at the end. Big team player. Hey guys, he coached first for us to start today. Every game, right? He started at first base. That's good luck today. Vinny, great job, buddy. Great job. Great job. Hey guys, I'm not the coach that says there's an MVP, nothing like that. I'm just not that guy. In Arizona, because you deserved it. Well, we had an MVP today, and I'm going to give him the second ring. I don't think he made it out, guys. I don't think he made it out. He just pitched us the ship, the winning ship. Played great all weekend. Matthew, great job, Matthew. Good job, Matthew. Good job. Good job. You both guys, I'm going to give you yours right now, but I'm going to start with Matthew first. To be honest, guys, this is our first game. Okay? So a little bit of, just a little bit for them, okay? But you guys are going to get yours right now. Mr. Zach, great job this weekend, buddy. Good pitching too when you went in. Proud of you, babe. Proud of you. Proud of you.
Yeah.
Good. You know who I'm looking at. You're going to drive me crazy every weekend. You scream and yell, but I love you, babe. Good job. Good weekend. Good pitching. Aiden. Right. Good job. Good job. My main man came in the first game. Came in, shut him down for 3 innings. That was big for us. Joe, great job this weekend, Joe. Great job, buddy. Great job. Mateo, you did a great job. Wait, is your mama still here?
No.
She had to go, right? Okay, yeah, the other day. Great job, buddy. Great job listening. Good job for the weekend. Our first championship. Good job, good job.
I know, but yeah, I'm
All right, here we go to Mr. Mason. Great job this weekend, buddy. Great defense. Hey, we hit this weekend too, right, man? You're getting back. Great job, buddy. Proud of you, proud of you, proud of you. You know, guys, you want to talk about a team player? This gentleman hit a bomb to left field today. Was at third base and told me I was trying to give him high five and he didn't care. He's like, Coach, I gotta pass. Coach, I gotta go in the dugout and put my gear on. Love it, Mr. Laird. Great job. What is that? Home run, triple home. Home run, triple. Good job, good job. Who am I missing? The man, my guy. Been with me for how long? You been with me, Jack? Since you were 8? No, 7, no? You're 7, huh? Been with me forever, Mr. Jackson. Great job, buddy. Great job. Good. Okay, here we go. Put my phone over here. I told you. You kept telling me, right? I appreciate you playing with us this weekend. Great job, buddy. Great job. Good job, man. Good job. Good job. Where we at? Where we at? My man, little O. Great hitting. Great job, buddy. You know what? I appreciate you being a team player this weekend. I know you want to play infield more and stuff, but I had you a lot in the outfield. You did a great job. Great job, buddy. I appreciate you. Here you go. For my big man. My big man. Hey, you know what, buddy? You know what was so good today? Is you struggled yesterday pitching, right? A little upset. When you showed up to the park today, when I saw you, it was nothing. It was all, I'm ready to go, coach. That way to come back, bud. You did a great part. You're a big inspiration to these guys. You're always getting them up. I love that part, you know? You and Vinny get them going for me. I appreciate you, buddy. Good. Hudson. Good job. Good job. Good job. I see that, everybody. Now listen, guys. I'm going to give it to your guy. I'm going to give one to Mr. Brock. Hey guys, one more guys. I'm just letting you guys know we're giving this one to Carter. He was supposed to make it this weekend with one of the kids on our team. With us having a lot of guys, he said, hey, I want your guys to play. I don't want to interfere. So he's been checking on you guys all game. So I'm going to give this one to Carter. Okay? Good job. Good job.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Cali! Good job, boys. Good job.
Wow.
Good job.